G'day YouTube, JB from Oz here. Well, today was another milestone day. I was at a mushroom growing seminar, learning how to do the mushroom growings anyway. And I've got a little bit of footage coming up on that, but also a part of the workshop update. Just wanted you to see I actually do have a floor underneath all that crap. And believe it or not, in the view around the workshop, it's actually coming together. So we have assortments of tools, a pile of screwdrivers and stuff that I'm essentially going to move on. All the old crap that left, but everything in here is all organised. Still have to go through the cupboard at the bottom, but this is the bit that really makes me happy. Come around the corner, I've got parts trough and vice and some stock in the cupboards down below. Got my wheelie table, which is going to double as a like a side bench for the lathe, which is now in its alcove. So essentially alongside me here, at good working height for me, everything is finally in its little alcove in its position. So I need to sort some lights overhead. Got that little light there. Down below, still got a little bit of sorting out to do. Got some chucks down there. And of course then right next to me here is the Rong Fu. So from mill to lathe to work table to tools. So in here I've got all my cutters and all my various other bits. So everything is within like hand's reach, including somewhere to wash stuff, somewhere to hold stuff. Down underneath I've got stacks of various other sort of productive tools, drills, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, fixturing and metrology and spanners and sockets and everything I can possibly want is all in that side there. So this is a little corner of heaven. It's finally there. So that's what I'm going to call the result. Up next is my mushroom workshop, and you'll get to see how I made up some oyster mushrooms and what do we have, some tan oysters and some pearl oysters. So we'll give a bit of an update as they grow, but yeah, happy day. Learning how to grow mushrooms. At the mushroom growing seminar. Pins and bags.
Almost like not quite.
Nothing.
No, I've definitely got no water left.
No water left.
Some of our hands are quite different. Got bigger hands. That's what I look at.
Still quite a bit there, yeah.
Hang on, just take a little bit. Oh, yeah, that was your hand.
Yeah, looks like there's heaps left, mate.
That's it. So which one's this one?
Mushroom.
Well, is it?
Oyster or something, I think. So there's G3 tan oyster with 5 opportunities. Now we're doing up a fruiting mix. So we've got 3 buckets and 1800 mils of water. Fun, fun. Fun, fun. Fun, fun. Final X marks the spot. Fruiting bags.